Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubamba olunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream ufuna ukwenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a Purple King mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with my brother, my son, my only one, the firstborn, Yalumhlaba, Shendele Bobo, Shipopo, welcome Jamini, Chris Baba Sibalkulu, Chris Baba. Mesengithi nje, hey, selithambe mebafowethu wala wait akuntokozo khazi. I appreciate what you do my brother and ngiyafisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu akuphe more power ukuthi uqhubeke usiza abantu. Big up and we salute you Ntokozo khazi. Selithambeme mntanami. Ngifuna ukunidakiswa nonke angithi ngaphuza nolela nidakwe nonke landakiwe nonke landakiwe and nalempahla yomenkwenkwe
It's one of one in South Africa.
Take us to Kwabafebayo Ntokozo Kai. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubamba olunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Uyamazi uzwitele uCulu Maskandi, uyamazi uMbeje? Benginombeje. Umbeje yinja mfana. Hayi stage esakhe. Bafowethu first thing first, rest in peace to Inkosi yaMagcokama, rest in peace to Stebi. Wipaw. Hayi ngadlula ngapha sanibone. Ha. Hayi asingithi Stebi, beshoot advert ninjani? Ni right? Sho, ubanika my brother.
Ukamva kamalami.
Ukamva. Ngicela nje ukunibuza a few questions bafethu ningadini man. Ngicela nje ukunibuza a few questions. Mase ngiyanidedela niyaqhubeka. Brother Ukamva ne?
Ukamva yeah.
Yes, my sister ina? Jenny. Oh, okay. Jenny no Ukamva, are you guys dating?
Yeah, we're talking.
Oh, is it? Send discussing ngane nithanda. Ngicela umela sis Jenny. Yes. Send discussing ngane nithanda. Na 6 months. What is it that you love about Ukamva?
Everything. He takes care of me. Yes.
Oh, you love someone who's taking care of you.
Yes.
Oh, nice. My brother, what is it that you love from Mtuako?
She loves my life, man. That's why, man.
Yo, brah.
I just love you, man. You see,
Yo, brah.
it's hard to explain, man.
Sure. No, I understand. Hey, brah, where are you from?
Nandisuka Tendani.
Sure. Big up to the Eastern Cape. Big up to Tendani Mtanami. It's a Purple King. I love you so much, my Eastern Cape people, and I'm gonna be seeing you soon. 55th and Ngobo. Yalazutaba. That's the address, sister. So, have you been to Tendani?
No, but we're planning to go there soon.
You're planning to go and visit? Yes. So you love everything about him?
Yes, I
His
do.
culture?
Yes,
so
everything.
Now, everything. So, do you know Xhosa now? One word Xhosa? Molo?
I don't know. He's teaching me.
He's still teaching you that?
Yes.
Yeah, but it will take time.
Yeah.
Xhosa is not an easy language, but it's a beautiful language. We all love Xhosa. Sonke like South Africa, we even know how to speak it. Sister, I want to know from you, in a scale of 100, ungathi umthanda kangakanani my brother?
Okay.
8.
Yeah.
Wena uzithemba kangakanani?
100%.
100.
Yeah.
Hayibo. Shasho.
Yeah.
All right. Ukhona yena omunye umuntu othandana naye besides uKamva? Uyena kuphela?
Ngiyamthanda phela umuntu wami lapho.
What would you do if you found out that uKamva kunomunye umuntu othandana naye?
No, sure.
Ikhona into ofuna ukuyitshela uKamva mhlambe oke wayenza uKamva engazi wayifika and then now you want to tell him
Come.
ayikho uyamthanda ne
Yeah.
nice Gamba my brother in a scale of 100 ungathi wena umthemba kangakanani mntaka
Ayazi baby, baby ayazi. 10 out of 10 ngiyamnika.
uyamnika shuthi 100
100.
wena in a scale of 100 usithemba kangakanani
Hayi ngathi mina committed la kuthando lwethu. You see.
Yeah.
I'm honest with her, that's why.
sure sir
So 100 still.
for sure bro I love that and my brother I respect and appreciate bro ukuba urepresenta ama out from uCentane mfowethu in a clean way like this bro yeah showcase so everyone must know ukuthi thina Eastern Cape sinalo uthando bhuti wami ngifuna ukwazi kuwena what would you do if you find out ukuthi uba sister kunomunye umuntu omkhotha indlebe
Hayi soze yenzeke lona.
ne
Soze yenzeke.
yeah
Soze yenzeke lona.
soze
No, soze.
so ikhona into ofuna ukumcalela yona ukuba maybe mhlawumbe uye wayichuna engacavi and
Okay, it's like mhlambi amanjaji andiyazi.
yeah
Yane. Uthi andiyazi chomi yakhe man. Sakhe sahlangana before ndandifuna like information nayo. So we ended up with mna nochomi yakhe sine conversation more.
sure
So it happens ba we go out.
yeah sekudala mara yeah
Yes.
Without me.
Sekudala so
Wait, you guys go out together.
It happened la sipeke BNB. Yeah. So they look ish.
funa nje ukenipoint
Yeah.
thetha naye bambi mic thetha naye umuntu wakho plus yeah ungama lasi yeah ningama ngoba ikamera ngabi yeah thetha naye bro thetha naye ndikuphi chance iqolisele le hiding
Uthando yazi la. Dala uthando. It's been months now. Sijole. Kodwa uqolele phela njengoba nje.
so wayesebenzisa condom prime
Kodwa umenya yazi nje ba ish.
okay
Ish.
ish
In.
Kana sis.
Well,
phela kwakungaleso ngalelo xesha akuyonto
how many
angu
times?
Ukenza ke once le, ngizele.
once
Ngeke ke once or very. Really once of.
okay ngcono ngoba uyaxolela alright ngicela umuphi yakho umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda Jelly Poppy sethi jelly ntwanami
Yasithanda nyani.
izinje iphetho jelly okay jela ungawi bro before ngintethele kunento esiyenzayo la sisijeli ne kuthiwa i-loyalty test it's whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds wena jelly upha umuntu wakhe ifone yakho for 60 seconds ba-check on WhatsApp Facebook Instagram
We're rushing somewhere.
I'm gonna request for you
No, like, we're almost there. They're waiting on us.
60 seconds
Are they waiting on us?
60 yayi ngiphi bro dango nje sister indaba wayilokhu uthi ngijahile
If only we see
sister na iphone yakho ayibo
I say I'm like,
yabani
auntie.
iletha awu Jack yazi uyicomedian yini nakwenza ama jokes anporeki uvela kuhlekise nje lo muntu awuthami ngiqale ngefoni yakho
Hayi akuna ngaqala ngayo yami.
ya mina ngifuna mawutha njalo anginankinga
Ngaqala ngayo yami.
dango cela ungibambela jelly okay ngibambelele okay now what's up ngena ku ngena yes mase ngithi type uzotype la makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela makuvela igama lezinye ifebe la ungitshela ngoba lozoyifebe izobe udwa umuntu wakhe ngizothi ngithini. All right guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. We're on WhatsApp right now. I'm about to stop that shoulders. Type lapho uthi I love you mfowethu
Avela me.
vela wena okay
Yes.
delete take your time type uthi sex wena mntwana abakushayelini la uthamo hey dog hey
Phela kuvela me.
kusavela wena hamba kahle Delete lapho type uthi money. Ugrand babam.
Simajani.
Abakushayeli imphawu xa uye ekhaya December.
Yimi.
Kaloku December, December.
Yeah.
Yimi kuphela.
Abakhaya, ndiye abakhaya.
Akonix.
Connect. Okay, delete lapho utype uthi come outside.
Yeah, only me.
Ayibendele kangaka na. Diloyal. Tsalele.
Delete lapho siswami. Type lapho uthi faka emoji brinjol. Ipentshesi nalamanzi athi twa. Isquad impophoma. Yabo ngiyazazi.
Yeah.
I know everything.
Yeah, only me.
Yalgal Facebook.
Ja, ngiyamdlala Facebook.
Aspect Facebook. Bheka ama messenger. Ngena ku type uthi I love you faka iheart red. Xa no results ungixelele. Instagram ayidlali?
Ja, ngicede liyani fumana ukuthi.
Yimi kuphela.
Ukhona yonke indawo. Iya ku DM Instagram. Same thing. Uyadelete and brown.
It's only me.
Ingake ngilong loyal ngiyamlethe. Loyal.
No. How do you feel?
I'm happy.
Nefoni wala.
We late. You said only 60 seconds.
Let's do 60 seconds.
But we did his one already.
What about yours? Kanti niyaphi?
Mina ngilambile phela.
Right. Mase tsaphlutsa phala. Mavuli kama nakhona ungitshela. Mavuli kama lezi ngifebela ungitshela. Ngoba lezi zinja lezi yizo ezobe zidla umuntu wakho. You understand? Mase ngithatha phala. All right guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream on WhatsApp right now. About accepted show on this. Type lapho uthi I love you. Talk to me. Na. Akashare ni mfethu njengoba. Hayi bakuyekelani.
I like you. Yini ke la.
Okay. Delete I love you. Type lapho uthi money. Shasha. Awufebe nje wena.
Money.
Akwazi umqabula umunye manje.
Money. Hayi.
Delete. Faka emoji ebrinjole. Ipensisi, isquad lamanzi ahlwa.
Yes.
Type lapho uthi sex. Yini sister yini.
Next.
Konje uthe uba uShelly. uJelly.
Jenny.
Oh uhambo.
No, Jenny.
Oh Jenny.
Bayithanda mina.
Umntame yami. Awumazi umsabo to. Hayibo sorry. Uba uthami.
Cousin wami.
Awu.
Yebo.
Kodwa ngikhuluma ngesex.
Bebuza.
Abuzani.
He was asking because of his girlfriend.
Ay. Ngena lapha phezulu kuyimedia ubone lapho ukuthi yena no cousin ithomba bayisendena nazi right ini. Indaba kanti ubani lo Thami lo?
Akulethe ukazini.
Ngini kuyazi ukuthi wena no cousin niyadlana. Ubona mphoti? Velani uyamsendela nayo sese.
Uyamsendela.
Letha ngibone, cela ngibambela la. Good.
Uyamsendela nje.
Jenny. Uwena nani kuphi la?
Sethi nanibona.
Kahle ngisabuka. Jenny. Uyiqokeleni Jenny namhla? Ayibo sorry from. Hey Jenny. Umkhazini wakho usumbonisa zonke lezi zinto?
No.
Khuluma hayi sesikhuluma iqiniso. Uyeke lento yenzayo. Uyamthanda kodwa ukambi. Pho manje waye wena futhi uphinde uthiwe uJenny ulokhuzana uThami makuthi usathanda ukamba. And waye ungaxolisi mfethu because uyabona ukuthi lento yenzayo i-wrong lo mjida mfethu akadeserve mfethu ukuthi umenze kanje.
Uyabhora.
Pho waye ubungamtsheli ola lo ukuthi uyabhora kunokuthi umreplace ngoThami esakhona. kumanje niyodla imali yakhe
Past time.
first time.
I-past time yami.
Kodwa yimi,
Telephone yami.
kodwa mina ngikwazi ukuxelela ngethomi yakho. Then wena awukwazi ngicela ngothando.
Sure, why?
Why?
I-revenge yami. Engayi, ingitshelile vele umngani wami.
Oh, nge-revenge. Kanjani into obungayazi?
I knew. Bese ngamxolela.
Yeah.
Abafazi bakho.
Ish.
So, insakusuke betshele ngenjobe ziyayisana. And wena ngibhora.
Hayi, sizile my baby.
No, uthe uyabhora.
Mina ngisamfuna.
But uthe uyabhora. Yamuzwa futhi uthethini manje.
Akanamoto. Uyangibhora.
Kodwa baby nokuxela manje ndiseva futhi uthenga license nje na.
Thenga i-license. Mina ngifuna ukugibela imoto manje.
Sister wena unayo yini imoto njengoba usufuna imoto?
Anginayo, but ngithola abantu abanemoto.
So uthamile ne-driver yena.
Yeah.
Nami driver nje kodwa.
Ngosaka tatakho.
Kodwa at least uyafika ngayo noma kungeya kubo.
Nami ngiyayitraveka mama.
So wena uyakhompyutha ke ngoku wena baby.
Ya mina ngifuna umuntu onganamasi. Phela mina ngithanda ukuya esentini.
Ish.
Bona ukhona ukuyispend imali.
Kodwa ke emaboneni ndiyakusa nje na
Maboneni ngenza nemaboneni. Ngangibona kahle. Uyangibona?
Baby hayi
Uyangibona?
nasemonti nje ndiyakusa nje
Uyangibona?
emonti nje baby.
Hayi thina sikuboni sisi.
Angiboni?
Hayi mhlawumbe hayi asikuboni. Yini le manje kumele ibonwe ke manje ngoba awugqokile nangale vest le ikhipho oyigqoke kule ithombe zakho.
Abantu kuyabanda.
Oh. Hayi asikuboni. Awuthi msazoqhubeka ujolela lo njengoba umuzi ukuthi
Ngiyamthanda incwadi lono hayi.
khuluma naye bro.
Thanda.
Mayinga
I need money.
okay mayingazama ukuthi le mali asevela ukuthenga i-license ngayo akuphe yona ka unankinga.
Angifuni, angifafuni.
Hayi lo mntana akazi akuthande dog.
Hayibo.
Ayadura ama-frontali zona.
Benise
Kodwa baby kodwa bewuthina ngathongo la.
yeah.
Akanti inezi nje ndiyakunika imali eningi.
Yeah.
Mali 500.
Yebo.
500.
Yeah, inails.
Ayenzi nekhombo nenyawo 500.
Khombe yenyama. Ngicela ngomntana nje. Ufuna ikhombe yenyama.
Not even ama-lashes awaphumi apha yo.
Abo kodwa baby ngikubona faka uwanje.
Bazobe bazongilanda ne-BM yami. Ngabhora.
What if ima.
Suba WhatsAppile. Ubusuma WhatsAppile ukuthi azokulanda i-BM yakho. Ha.
Thina sizula vidavi baby siyahamba.
Kune-BM.
Kanti ne-BM ezayo.
So wena athi msazoqhubeka nijole nalo njengombona ukuthi yakusebela kanti futhi uthe wena uyambhora wathi akasakuthandi wathi asafuna uzoqhubeka nijole nalo. Lo.
Ngiyamthanda badaba.
Mina ngikuthanda. Awumameli. Hawu, ekungibhora. Yo. Ngihamba.
Mama.
Elungisendela imali yami.
Yani imali yani.
Mali yami. Uthe uzongipha imali. Asho.
Kanjani akuphe kanjani ungasamfuna ngisathandani phela.
Uthe uzongipha.
Uthe usamthandi nje wena uthanda abantu
Ungipha imali that you promised me phela. Ngiyangizwa.
asambe bafo sokunika i-lift. Sokunika i-lift ngoba lozolanda i-BM. Welcome. Ibo hamba bafo. Sister hamba sister uyokulokhu umlandela. Hamba. Hawu, hamba nje. Hamba. Ende wena ngifuna ukukutshela something. Abanjengawe abavumelekile ukungena esentini. Ngazi abantu esentini ngizobatshela ukuthi bangavumi ukuthi uzumbone ngisho uMandela istatue. Welcome. Akayi lo ngeke angene lo esentini. Ngifuna ukutshela ama-braya ami esentini avale. Take me home.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy
boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake